perch. One little flat spot. Yeah, we got water flowing down here. This is a good spot to camp. Got some of that hill done. Look how dirty the pad is. For my legs, it's not even that bad. I've seen some people with like black pads. Just a handful of miles until 1300 though, so that's coming quite quick. Very quick. 0.3 back, I also crossed out of Plumas again, and supposedly I'm in Lassen National now. So, change parks. Wow, look at my hair. Need to get my mullet cut. It's bad. And my burns. Got some work to do today, this morning for sure. Working this 8-mile climb. Back in the burn. Oh, it's getting warm. Drink some water. Carry some water. Oh yeah, welcoming us to the Cascades. Gonna get to 1,300 miles any moment now. Almost done climbing this hill. It's been over 7 miles this morning on the hill that we started last night. I think it was 12 miles total. There we go, 1,300. Canada, that's kind of cruel. Anyways, made it to the top. Top of the, it was actually a 14-mile climb. Whew. That we started yet last night. All right, made it to my water. I didn't take a break at top. I figured I'd come down here and take a break. Let's see what this spring's got for us. The left behind fire hose sitting out here by the trail. Yeah, burnt through. But it took a lot to burn into these. Look who I found. Finally a cow on trail. Don't quite trust me, huh? Hi there. Your buddy's calling. Wasn't expecting to see those two girls. I don't know what they're doing up here in the burn. Just walking the trail. Some weekend warriors, I guess. I was wondering what I am. They've got their own trail. I think this one's mine. It's just powder. Wow, look at the flow out of this cold spring. Quick fill. Dang. That was awesome. Just got a burger, a brat, 7-Up. Yeah, I'm gonna camp here. All right, I slept around here. Had some neighbors. I didn't want to keep going after having a burger and brats. Got pretty much 20 miles down to the road to hitch into Chester. I am going to go to Chester and do a full resupply. Actual grocery store, because the next several stops are, one's closed for the season. There's fires, there's empty shelves. Found this in the dirt last night, setting up camp, throwing knife. It's too heavy. 702 out of camp. Not bad. Got a full bottle. Should be able to make it to the second water instead of the off trail spring. Things are looking good. Beautiful day. We got 19 miles down to the road to hitch into Chester. So I'm gonna camp somewhere real close to that and start trying to hitch in the morning and try and get back to trail in the afternoon. We're gonna hit halfway, PCT halfway marker in around 6 miles. So somehow I'm only halfway done. It's crazy. Top half will be a lot faster. All right, getting close to that halfway mark. It's 0.2 from here. Man, halfway. Trail's been challenging, for sure. It's getting long. Looks like we got a halfway.
More than one night. Yeah, marshmallow.
Halfway. I lost a ton of weight. I took a halfway pick. Maybe I'll show you, maybe not. But that is so crazy. All right, we're done with the slow half. We're gonna do the fast half. And hopefully escape all these burns. All right, I'm a little more than 3 miles from the road. It's almost 4, and I got water here, which is real nice. Plenty of water, so it gets dicey, and I'm sure it's burned basically to the road. There's some private property and stuff that gets a little wonky down there too. So I'm gonna camp on that spot. I've got AT&T service, which comes at a premium out here. Verizon definitely wins. I hadn't been able to upload anything for about a week going through. So yeah, I'm gonna set up, claim a spot, wash off in the creek, and catch up on some internet, I suppose. So here we are. We got a spot. Got a spot for the night. Good morning. It's pretty early. It's 5:43 right now. We had a lot of branches starting to fall this morning. Pretty close to camp. I had like a 3-foot section fall about 5 feet from the tent. Enough to get you woken up. So this just guarantees I'm gonna get into town and have a breakfast. I haven't had a hot breakfast in a very long time. 48 degrees at the moment. Just sun hoodieing it. But I'm gonna start walking and get that sun. There's my camp spot, the second one back here. Got 1.9 miles to go. We are getting close to the highway. Then we're gonna go to the Copper Kettle and get some breakfast. There's not much info here. PCT though. Copper Kettle is right next to the grocery store. It looks like the post office is not open on weekends. It's also 4th of July weekend. 4th will be on Monday. It's Saturday morning. Into town and out of town. That's the mission today. Made it to the highway here. All right, Copper Kettle. Had a good breakfast. Now I'm off to the grocery store. I haven't seen a grocery store in a while, and it is overwhelming in here now. The thought of what to buy and what to refrain. Yeah, Pizza Factory. I'm a little early. Plugging all my stuff in here. I had a big breakfast around 7:30, so doing just fine on that, but I'm gonna sit here and charge everything, check for some Netflix downloads, things like that. Things to keep me off track of YouTube, you know? But I did get 2 videos uploaded last night, so I'm gonna start working on the Whitney video right now. Set to cool mode. All right, I got loaded up on pizza, did the Whitney video. Now I'm trying to hitch. Yeah, did everything I needed to. Got breakfast, got lunch, got my resupply, so I'm sitting good, sitting pretty. Got myself sorted. Little picnic table time. Matt giggles. She's in a food coma, coming out of town. I'm sure she'll pass me tonight, but something like 3.5 miles to water, to a spring, so I'll go check that out. It's been a nice smooth walk, just get warmed back up. What a eerie thing to walk through a big burn like that. Like, it's been what, 4 or 5 days of combined burn. All that grass means I found my water. Should be a spring. Deer butt. That looks a lot better than pog water. Nice. There's green plant life. Oh my goodness. And shade. My mind, it took a little bit to register that I wasn't walking in a burn. It's crazy. To hike or not to hike? Yeah, I gotta do the other 3.5. It's 6:40 and I'm gonna pretty much go down to North Fork, Feather River, and camp there. That sets me up for like a 24-mile day, I think, tomorrow to adhere to the bear can thing. Lassen National Park requires bear can, so to camp, not to pass through. Good morning. I slept good, but boy, I overhydrated in town, so I woke up a bunch of times. It is cold. I'm gonna get my puffy out for a bit. All right, so we're set up for a 25-mile day to get all the way through Lassen. All right, I'm pretty much out of water, but there's supposed to be a spring down here. This spring means the boundary of Lassen. So I got 19.3 to go and no bear can. All right. We are headed in to Lassen Volcanic NP. Boiling Spring Lake. These are the biggest composite logs I've ever seen. They got some plans out here. Across these logs. Bridge is out. lower Twin Lake. Right here. It's been nice, easy going terrain. I haven't had a climb in a while. One that I'd count anyway. Yeah, getting close to the Lassen National Park boundary. Under a mile for sure. And I'll be looking for camping.
She's unafraid.
Yeah, she's lost all fear of people.
Yeah.
He wants salt.
All right, Lassen in a day. That is done. I'm gonna camp damn near on the border here. Oh. So, yeah, here we are. We're gonna get water. The deer back here basically guided me from the camp to the river over here, and now it's watching me. It's just hanging out. That's what I wanted. Sleep in. It's 8 o'clock. 4th of July. So I'm on holiday. It's 12 miles to Old Station, where they've got a cafe. 25s are a lot. It seems like for me. I just need to keep it steady rather than... For the 4th of July, I visited the park. Now I'm done with it. 12.6 downhill. All right, I am walking the road down into Old Station, trying to get to the cafe before it closes. It's before 1, so I close at 2. Hopefully they're open here on the 4th. I will get a nice lunch.
You could easily get that same flight with like 3 stops or 2.
Yeah, so JJ's is closed. They got some kind of something going around in here. All right, Old Station fill up. That was a nice, really nice, thorough gas station with food and everything. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Trying to get to the lava tube, subway cave it's called. Ooh, that's cool. That was pretty cool, huh? It was a really long tunnel, cave. It took a while to walk through. Total dark. Ooh, we haven't seen one of these in a long time. Since the desert. Velvet ant. Got some beers. All right, some people are talking about this. Let's go check out what's happening. Yeah, so the Trail Magic people were in town getting supplies. So they might have made it back with some real good stuff, but I got my water for the night, so I don't have to worry about where to camp or anything like that. And I'm carrying a Coke out of there, so yeah, here we go. It's really pretty tonight with the clouds. All right, I think I'm gonna camp up on this ridge. I'm gonna find a spot to disperse, and I'll have quite the view.